Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor out here in this beautiful, I mean, this is a damn nice boat, actually. It's got everything you need, perfect for lake fishing, big lakes. You can take it out in the bay. And in this wind here, if you want to keep that front end, all you have to do is fire this one up. This is electric. Steer this, use that bow mount as your autopilot. You can keep this in a straight line, doing a half a mile an hour you wanted to. And now the hummingbirds, I'm not too savvy on the hummingbirds. I don't do a lot of them. I don't think they link in. It does say that will link in, I think, to the Altera, but I couldn't get it to work. It says not supported, needed some interface cables. So anyway, main motor runs really good. What we'll do here, you got to make sure that's on the run position. You got to make sure the master's on. Now your electric steerer isn't going to work until you fire this motor up. And just turn the key, let it fire up. It spools up by itself. Now, see how I can just take and move that motor? And you don't have none of that feedback. You can just lock it and it'll stay right there. All your bilge pumps work, your horns work. I showed you all that. You got your instruments digitally on that tachometer over there. Then what we're going to do is fire this one up real quick. While we're doing that, we'll go ahead and spin this. This is a suspension seat. Put that in gear. And the troll mode I've already showed you. But I'm going to run this real quick again. So easy, like I say, to steer. And you can just lock it, like to just touch it. And it'll just keep it in a straight line. And exit. Yeah, see them old hummingbirds for some reason. Yeah, there it is reading. We were just going too fast. You can set up it's starting to read now. But we're doing 5.1 miles an hour. That's what I wanted to show you. Well, it's got a torque. 31. I'm going to trim it. 45. Just like I thought it would do. And easy on the steering, like I say. You can just take your hands off of it. That motor's way out of the water. So then we get up here, and that's where these wave smashers, or whatever you want to call them, are good for. You don't get that water coming in here. Put that in neutral, kick this back, trim the motor down. Yeah, now it's going to start reading. But yeah, I don't know. Not the fondest of these, but I guess you can get them to work. 0 to 200. There's 800. There you go. Now we're dropping it. There you go. Where you need to be. So it's working the way it should. Okay, so then you go view. View again. View. View. That gives you two of them. View again gives you should be two. Should give you all three of them. There you go. Side view, and you can change this, make this one smaller, this one bigger. So you got them all there, so that's working. So we're going to take this, we're going to shut this off. Then what you do on this, you push this here, then, and see how it started up. But now you don't want to have this on. Turn this down, hit this down button right here. Let it go all the way down. There. Now you hit this power button and you do your throttle. Then if I want to go this way, I just go this way. Listen how quiet that is. Then if I want to steer it, just kind of, there's your arrow, that's straight ahead. I want to turn it a little bit to the right, I just follow that arrow over here. Now I want to go to the right. I just, right there. Now if I want to go back or a quick turn, just go like that and see that arrow? It's going to shove the ass end that way. I want to go in, so it's just going to spin the boat around basically. Then if you want to just steer in reverse, just go like this. And there you go. Now I'm going in reverse. Just stop it, just go like this, steer it back the way you had it. Get that there, shut the power off, hit up. Whoop. I think that's all the way up. You can't see it. No. So hit your power off. You know, it does that every once in a while. I might not be doing so. Oh, and that extends. That's why. Huh, I didn't know that. Huh. So power. Huh, that's cool. Turn that off. Turn the power off. Just. Huh, is that going all the way up? Yeah, I guess so. Didn't seem like it. But it is. And then you just push this back like that. I just want to make sure I'm going to flick this here. I'm going to put this in gear, just make sure it doesn't drag too much in the water. So, we'll put that neutral. That means it ain't all the way up. All the way down. Huh. Yeah, it did that to me the last time too. So go down. That's got a memory on it. Power. Huh. There must be a little something going on in there. Huh. That's weird. I'm going to do another video.